Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the 2018 and newer Honda Goldwing and Honda Goldwing Touring models. This is going to be the removable Smart Mount Backrest for the Honda line Custom C. This Smart Mount Backrest allows 3 inches of horizontal adjustment, 1 inch of vertical adjustment, and folds forward for easy on and off of the motorcycle. On the back you'll notice the pouch, which is also removable and features a full zippered compartment. Again, this particular backrest installs and removes very easily to fit the configuration you're looking for. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE, and make sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.